Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today we're comparing two popular power supplies, the Thermaltake Smart 700W and the Segotep 650W 80 Plus Gold. We'll dive into their specifications, efficiency ratings, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision for your PC build. Let's get started. When it comes to wattage, the Thermaltake Smart 700W offers a higher output at 700 watts, making it suitable for a wider range of systems. In contrast, the Segotep 650W provides 650 watts, which is still adequate for most gaming setups, but may limit performance in high-demand scenarios. Therefore, if maximum wattage is your priority, the Thermaltake has the edge. Efficiency is crucial for power supplies, and here the Segotep 650W shines with its 80 Plus Gold certification, indicating higher energy efficiency and lower heat generation. The Thermaltake Smart 700W, while reliable, only holds an 80 Plus White certification, which means it operates at a lower efficiency. This difference can lead to higher electricity costs and increased heat output over time. Price is always a significant factor when choosing a power supply. The Thermaltake Smart 700W is priced at $67, making it a budget-friendly option for users looking for a reliable PSU. On the other hand, the Segotep 650W comes in at $99, reflecting its higher efficiency and performance capabilities. Depending on your budget, the Thermaltake offers a more economical choice, while the Segotep justifies its price with superior efficiency. In conclusion, both the Thermaltake Smart 700W and the Segotep 650W 80 Plus Gold have their strengths. The Thermaltake is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users needing higher wattage, while the Segotep is ideal for those prioritizing efficiency and performance. Be sure to consider your specific needs before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.